The top 5 best miter saws for dust collection recommendation. Recommendation number 1. DEWALT Miter Saw DWS 716. Stainless steel miter detent plate with 14 positive stops delivers repeatable accuracy and worksite durability for the 12-inch miter saw blade. Tall sliding fences of the miter saw support crown molding up to 6.5/8-inch nested and base molding up to 6.1/2-inch vertically against fence. Double bevel design of DEWALT miter saw allows saw to bevel 0 degree 48 degree to the left and right with positive stops at 0 degree, 22.5 degree, 33.9 degree, and 45 degree. Recommendation number 2. MIOSC H Power Tools GCM12SD. Patented glide system allows wider cross cuts and better alignment while also being compact, saving you 12 inches of valuable workspace. Expanded cutting capacity. 14-inch horizontal capacity, nominal 6.1/2-inch vertical capacity against the fence base, 6.1/2-inch crown capacity against the fence, 45 spring. Provides easy adjustments with a large, easy-to-read uniform bevel and stainless steel miter scales with marked detents and roof pitch angles. Bevel detents 0, 33.9 degree. Recommendation number 3. MAKITA LS1219L. The MAKITA LS1219L practically excels at everything. Just look at the dust extraction. Its performance is like any other with the dual dust ports. Attach it to the shop vacuum and get a dust bag to collect every single one. Aside from the excellent dust extraction, this compound miter saw has a combination of the best miter saw characteristics in one compact unit. It's efficient, accurate, and speedy. The 2 steel rail sliding system allows you to have a much smaller footprint when working. You can make some space without sacrificing the rest of your power tool. Recommendation number 4. WENM 1011. This powerful 15-amp motor slices through even the hardest of woods, rotating the blade up to 4,500 times per minute. This versatile saw miters up to 45 degrees in either direction and bevels up to 45 degrees to the left. Cut boards up to 12 inches wide and 3.1/2 inches thick, or make compound cuts, 45-degree bevel and 45-degree miter in boards 8.1/4 inches wide and 2.1/5 inches thick. The saw features 9 positive miter stops, 2 at 15 degrees, 2 at 22.5 degrees, 2 at 30 degrees. Recommendation number 5. CRAFTSMAN V20 CMCS 714 Mon. V20 cordless 7.1/4-inch sliding miter saw has a powerful motor designed for cutting 2-dimensional lumber, hardwoods, baseboard, and trim with ease. The sliding 7.1/4-inch blade allows for a cross-cut capacity of up to 8 inch, while the 9 miter detents and single bevel blade allow for angled cuts. The LED light eliminates shadows and provides an accurate, easy-cut line to follow. With a lightweight design and side carry handles provides the user with additional portability.